Well, I'm here at the Blackbox stand here at BVE 2016. This is the first of a number of videos that we're doing here, so you'll find the links to the others below me. I've got Mark Hempel with me. Hi, Mark. Now, Mark, we're going to talk over a number of things, but in this particular video, we're going to talk about the DKM system. Tell us what it is, what it's capable of doing.
Okay, DKM system is a keyboard video mouse extension and switching system with lots of variability with regard to scaling it and with regard to the number of interfaces that we support. It's a system that we have in our portfolio for the last 3.5 to 4 years, so it has a proven record of reliability. And we've added basically functionality, feature set and different interfaces to it over time in order to upgrade it to the different new video standards. The next one to come is 4K 60. We don't have the 4K 60 here yet because it needs finalization, but all the different features that are available is what we have present here, and we can show and demo it, and that's what we're going to do.
Yeah, so give us an idea of what we're looking at here and what some of the capabilities are.
Well, what we're doing here is we're looking at a system with basically 2 screens, and the 2 screens have a different kind of flavor. One is a 1080p signal, and this large 4K screen basically provides us with a 2x2 video wall mini layout because it has 4 1080p signals. So what we actually see is 4 different sources that we basically operate as a single device, because we can just move over the mouse from one screen to another, and we can just operate the different PC, and this is a seamless operation between the two. And just to outline that we are running it on 2 different systems, I can just bring up the Windows screen so that you can have a proof that this is probably 2 different systems and not just one running in a multi-screen layout. So very intuitive, very useful, especially on operator desk and control rooms where you always have a limitation in space. And therefore you just need 1 keyboard, 1 mouse in order to operate up to 4 different sources.
Brilliant. And as far as the hardware is concerned that's controlling this, that's showing in the rack here. Go over this with me.
Yes. We just look down here. One of the key elements is that basically the transmit side and the receiver side is almost looking identical. We always have transmit or receive cards, and they mainly differ from the USB interface. So the USB interface on the transmit side is a Type B, and on the receive side we have 2 Type A's in order to have keyboard mouse control. We have different flavors, as I mentioned already earlier. On the VGA, on the video side, we do support VGA, HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI signals up to 4K 30 at the moment. 4K 60 on DisplayPort is in preparation. We do offer cards with Cat-X connectivity, Cat5, Cat6, Cat7, as well as fiber optic connectivity. And we have the cards even with 2 interfaces on the link in order to allow full redundancy on a single point-to-point link, as well as on a switched environment, routing it through 2 different matrices. We have different sizes of housings in order to host multiple modules, and I think this is one of the most space-saving enterprise systems that you can get, because you can have up to 6 sources in 1 rack unit of height with a redundant power feed integrated. As I said, you can take the signals point to point, but what we're doing here, we're routing the signals, so we're taking it into a matrix, and the matrix again is scalable in a compact format as we see it right here, from 8 ports to 80 ports, and in any kind of mix basically with copper and fiber. And taking it further from the matrix, we'll end up on the screens, and that's the functionality we've seen already. One of the key elements, apart from just the mouse over, is the instant switching speed that we have on the system. So if I want to change channels, I can just execute hotkeys, and I can change channels on the fly. I think we can see it better on the full 1080 screen. So if we just move over here, just execute a hotkey, and you can change channels quite rapidly. You can just do a manual scan. And despite the fact that it's not a seamless switcher, it acts basically like a seamless switcher if you have the same incoming video resolution.
Mark, it looks like an amazing system. If people haven't been able to come and see you here at BVE and they want to find out some more information about the DKM system, what's the website they can go to?
The website is www.blackbox.com on the international level, or .eu on the European side.
Mark, thank you very much. Go and have a look at the website. You'll find out more information about this and all the other Blackbox products on their website, and the link is on screen now. And don't forget to check out the other videos we've done here at BVE 2016 on our website, KitPlus.com.